All right, I'm here today to unbox and use my new Black & Decker Dustbuster. I'm so excited because I hate crumbs. And this is perfect to clean up little messes on the countertops. Can't wait to use it. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to open both sides. Okay, here we go. Okay, got the thing and the instructions. So it's very lightweight, which is great. Look at that. It's perfect. It's really compact and light, so it seems like it would be easy. I do have to charge it fully before I use it, so I won't be able to demonstrate, which is what I wanted to do. But so far, so good. And then let me see if I want to empty. There's a little thing, I just dump it out, and this thing comes out so I can clean it, put it back in. Cool. So I'm going to charge it, and then we'll do a part 2 of the video so we can see how it works. Bye. Okay, so this is finally charged, and now we're going to test the crumbs on the table. So if you could zoom in to show all of the crumbs that we have. This is from the toaster, we just shook it out. So this is exaggerated. We don't usually have this many crumbs, but I wanted to test it. Okay, the moment of truth. Oh, I have to hold it? Look at that! Picking everything up. Not bad, not bad. All right, see all of them in there. Does a good job. It's perfect, and the thing is like little, so if I need like detail work, let's see if I have somewhere where I could do like detail work. Let's see. Like right here is like a little thing of crumbs that's a little line, so I could do that. I don't know. Beautiful. And there's crumbs right here, so I don't know if you could see them. I'm gonna be looking for crumbs everywhere now. And here. Beautiful. And this whole thing right here is full of crumbs. Probably can't tell because of the pattern of this, but. It's perfect. That's perfect. So let's stump it out now. Get the full experience. Okay. Oh, they're all in there. Look, there's a bunch. Can you do a close-up of all of them? Let me go like this. All right. I will say this is a 10 out of 10. So I recommend the Black & Decker Dustbuster. Thank you. Follow and subscribe. And it's so compact. It fits right in this drawer. See? Perfect fit. So it's easy access and it's out of the way. Crumbs stand no chance against me now. Bye.